Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you, is it really possible to change your username on Reddit? Well, first off, you want to go to your profile menu, open it up right here and view profile. Then next, we'll check here on the right side. You can update your profile. Here you can change your display name, create about description, and here let's go to the account. Definitely, you can change your username. However, to change your username, you're also gonna have to change your email address right here. So once that has happened, they will send a message to you, and you need to open it with a link to create. Of course, if you don't have your password yet, then definitely create your password. But yeah, definitely you can change your username by changing in your email address. And apart from that, you can also change in your display name here by going to profile and then display name and then changing up your name here. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.